Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Shopify dropshipping store in just 10 minutes. We will go from sign up to adding products, setting up payments, and making your store ready for sales. So it is perfect for beginners. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first thing first, you just need to be signed up for the Shopify. You just need to be go to the shopify.com and click start for free options or start free trial and enter your email and create your password and choose your store name. So Shopify will ask you a few questions like your business. You can skip or answer them. Once you are in, you will land on your Shopify dashboard. So I've already created an account, so I will click over here to the login. Once I did, then here I will get this kind of options like I already landed into the dashboard here. Actually, you can see it. So this will be your dashboard, and I am using the trial version. You can see I have to this free trial available in here. The trial ends on August 14. So here, once you come over here, now the main work will be begin from that place that choose and customize your theme. From the dashboard, you just need to be go to the online store and then select your theme options. Shopify gives you a default theme, but you can explore free and paid themes by clicking explore free theme options. Like here you can see it. And if you want to visit theme store, you will see free and paid themes from that place. Here you can see we have 24 free themes, so you can choose one of them from that place, which one you feel familiar with your business page. So for beginners, the Dawn theme works perfectly. So I already installed that one. Here you can see I'm using that Dawn theme. It is my current theme. So you can choose the banner and you can able to change the banner image also. Then you can add your own store name or logo, and you can edit color and font to match your brand. Let's say I'll click over here to the customize. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to that page, and from that place I have all the access to change all the things. Like if you want to change the image banner, you just need to select that one, and from that place you are able to change it as it you want. It's a really easy one. So you have all these resources, and if you want to change the color scheme, you just need to be go click on header, and from that place you just need to select this theme setting, and from that place you will get the options like you can change the logo, then you can change the color. Let's say I will click over here and you can edit this scheme. Like here you have the authority to the things do perfectly. So now I will install a dropshipping app in here to start my further work in Shopify. So that's the reason I will click over here to exit button. Once I click over here, then I will click the apps. So through these options, you can install apps in here, or also you can go to the setting and then you just need to be find out the apps or channel. You just need to be go over here. Once you come over here from that place, you just need to click on Shopify app store. Once you click over here, now you just need to be install a dropshipping app to search product. You can install like deserts for AliExpress, Drop, or CJ Dropshipping. These are the famous and popular one in dropshipping field. So I will install CJ Dropshipping in here. So I will search for the CJ Dropshipping. Here you can see this is the CJ Dropshipping must poster logo, and you just need to click on install. This will let you easily import products and fulfill orders automatically. So it is really easy to install it in Shopify store. Here you can see just need to click on install. Once it did, then it will be installed in here. Now you just need to be connected to your Shopify store. So you just need to log in and authorize. So when you click confirm, okay, click confirm and then log in and authorize, and it will take a couple of minutes. I will go with the Google one, then I will choose my account, and eventually it will take a couple of minutes, and when it will be matched with my authority, then it will redirect me to here, and here you can see it already been added. It is really an easy task. Now you just need to import products to your store. So importing a product is really simple. Here you can see that our store already been connected with that platform, so I will go with that one. I will click the product. Once I click over here, you can list it from that place or you can list it from here, so it's totally up to you. I'm going to connect. Like here, click connect if the product already exists in it. It's to establish, so you just need to click over here to list. Once you click over here, you will find out the list in here. You just need to be enter your store name here. So if this is my store, like it is not available, so let's check my store. First of all, I just need to be check my store link from that place. So here you can see this is the store CYBWT. So here you just need to be come over that place, and here you just need to find it out store. So I don't have any store here yet, so here, from that place store automation and expansion, I just need to be click over here and I'll come over that place. So you just need to be connect your existing store in here. Without that, you are not able to import the product in your Shopify store. Process is really simple, so you just don't need to be taking my stress. I will show you how easy the process was. So when that loading will be completed, then you will get to see the options where you are able to add story in here. So we just need to wait a bit to complete this thing. So here you can see the pop-up come over here. So I already added through Shopify store with my CJ dropshipping, so that for a reason I'm not available to add furthermore. But if you want to add any other platform like eBay, Etsy, and many platform, here you can actually see it. You just need to be click that and you are allowed to add those platform in here. Once you did, then I already mentioned that you just need to select your, like I can say that your store, and then you just need to give the product type and then your brand name, and then you can click on sync and it will automatically provide it, and just click on list it now. Once it did, then you just need to be come over here to store product or listing record. Just go over here product records, and from that place you just need to be click onto the import one, and it will be perfectly imported in here. Like I'm going to import that one, so I will click this one and it will be easily imported with the product. Like you can check out the on listing failed. Like here all the things is really easy, you can do it by your own. So once you import your product, now your work already been done. Now you just need to wait a bit to complete your first order. Like when you will get a message or notification that you get a new order, you just need to come over here and go to this my CJ and dashboard, and you will just need to pay the product price, and then you just need to order it to your customer address, and you will get to see the options here that how many like product you sales, daily order, daily total amount, daily average amount, and many things. Like the same with other platform like drop shipping. Like I already talked about the CJ drop shipping. Let's say we are going to work with the next platform like Drop or Deserts. Like you just need to be go over here Shopify app store here and search for Deserts, and you will get that platform. You just need to be add it in the Shopify store. Once we add it, and then you can do your work, and both platforms are completely free, so you can start work without any cost. But on the other hand, Drop is not free, so I will always suggest you, if you're a beginner and you don't have enough margin, then you can start with Tesla's account. It is also an easy one. So here you just need to log in and authorize, and then it will be logged in here. It is a really an easy one. I hope you understand actually how amazing that one and how easy that process was. So I hope you understand how easy that process to create and dropshipping store with the Shopify store. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.